Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're doing today is showing you how to plug a tire. And of course, I have brand new tires and I got something in them. Isn't this how it always works? Brand new tires, got a screw in it. So, and then I put my donut on because I had to drive home like this, and that thing is tiny. That is a small little donut, that's for sure. Definitely wasn't a fast trip home. Let's go ahead and use this to get it out. Otherwise, you could use your other one that comes with it. Yeah. Look at that. Go figure. Jeez. Alright, so now that we got that screw out, you can use these. These are only temporary though, and they're pretty simple. They screw in, and then you just snap them off, and then you can fill your car up with air, but these are only temporary. What you want is a kit like this with the rubber and the rubber cement, and I'll show you quickly how to do this. So what you want to do, you want to ream the hole out, get it roughened up. Just like that. Then you want to take one of these, and you're going to want to place it in here. And pull it through so it's about halfway, just like that. Now you're going to want to take your rubber cement and puncture that. There we go. And you're going to put it on here. And put some right there. Now you're going to want to take this and put that in the hole. And you want it about 2/3 of the way down. And now with a quick motion, you're going to go ahead and pull it right out. Just like that. Now you're going to want to take a razor blade and cut off the excess. So that's off of there now. And you can see how that is on there. So now we can go ahead and fill this back up with air, and then we'll check it for leaks. All right, we got her all pumped up now. So next thing you want to do is take a little bit of Dawn dish soap, any type of soap. So you can see it's bubbling, which means air is escaping. We're gonna put it in our tool here. Same thing, a little rubber cement. Alright, that one's a little tougher because it's a lot more compact. And cut the excess off. We'll go ahead and get the new one on. Alright, we'll take it for a quick test drive and we'll come back and put soap on there and see if any leaks. Alright, so we just got back from our ride and it's starting to rain. It's getting dark out here. So let's go ahead and put some more Dawn dish soap on here and see if we got any leaks. And that's just a bubble from pouring it on there. No air bubbles like before. So we're all set here. And you can see how if you try one and you still have, you put your soap on and it's still got air coming out, you can go ahead and ream another one in there. Just make it a more tighter fit. Just make sure that you try to wipe out as much soap as possible. Maybe use a little alcohol or water. Just pour it over there and get it all off of there. And then load it back up with the rubber cement and then put it in like I did here on this one. And yep, no bubbles. And it's filled up to 35 psi, and that's where I keep them. So, all right, there you go. Quick, simple, and easy. So once again, we guys hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.